Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically export videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you've added some effects to the video and like some filters or whatever, and you want to export it. Select the export button, name your video, and select the folder you want the video to export in. I'm just going to Cypher. Just adjust like the resolution, the bitrate. This is usually my setting, and then you're just going to export it. It's going to export the audio with the video, so you don't have to select export audio, but I did mute it so it's unavailable. So press export, and then here, you can post it on TikTok. But I'm just going to open folder and see that that's where my video is. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!